Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Philip Chuck's Beer. Recently, after finishing work, I've been playing a video game. Specifically, I've been playing the game Death Stranding by everyone's favourite Hideo Kojima, or Mr. Kojimbles. Call him what you want. You know what they say. The dear child has many names, the schizophrenic one has even more. Well, at least it's a saying in Denmark. I don't know about other places. Right, so I thought, hey, that's a good enough reason to do a video, but I was topless, and I usually am not topless for the home videos. So I went to my closet over there, and decided to pick out a shirt. And I saw this in there, and I've literally never seen this shirt before in my life. I have no clue where it's from. I'm not sure it's mine. But it's pretty cool. It's got birds and it smells like grease. So I don't know. Maybe it's one of my grandfather's old shirts. I don't know. But that's plenty enough reason to try and chug beer, and more than one. So I'm going to try and see if I can do the whole 3 in a row thing, and preferably better than the scathing performance I had yesterday, where I was talking in between them, which is hard. As it would turn out. Who would have thought? Right. I think the angle is just about right for it. So. It's been a while since I've tried to do this proper. Right. I'm going to start the timer. Well, it's legal, but they should have been colder. There is no doubt they should have been colder. That would have been a more pleasant experience, but it worked out, so the birds work. Hey? I don't know what I'm saying. I'm improvising all the time. Did you know I've only ever once written a script for any of my videos, and it wasn't really the entirety of the script. It was more like I did that one review video where I sang some Moon Man thing. I wrote the song beforehand. That was not improvised, but that's it. Oh well, see you next time, whenever that is. I'm gonna go transport stuff with Sam Porter. Bye. Chug on.